Hello, guys, and welcome back. Today, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing using Pinterest and GrooveFunnels. Hello, everyone, and if you're looking to retire early and don't know where to start, then you are at the right place. Welcome back to the channel. As you know, my focus is early retirement, and after doing my research, I found that building digital assets online is the way to go. I've already started my journey by starting my YouTube channel. So let's get started. Okay, so this video is for those who are interested in affiliate marketing, which is another part of the digital real estate. We are going to just cover the basics and then break down each section in future videos to come. The basics of doing affiliate marketing are to find a product, create the content about the product, marketing the product, selling the product, and then making the money. To find a product, you have different options. You can there's a lot of options for affiliate marketing. These are just three of the basics: Digistore, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Now, for some of these affiliate platforms, they will require you to have a website. ClickBank does not, but there are some affiliates, individual affiliates, recently that just started that does require approval, and that might be one of the criteria in order to get accepted as an affiliate. Okay, just to keep that in mind. If you do not have a website, you are on a strict budget, you can start a free website with um, Aweber or Blogspot, which is a part of Google. It's a part of Google, yeah. Blogspot is a part of Google. So you can definitely check that out. But these are the three affiliate marketing stores just to start with: Digistore, ClickBank, and ShareASale. And if you do find other products that you want to become an affiliate of, just type in the name of the product in Google and type in affiliate program. And if they have anything, it will show up. The next step for affiliate marketing is to create content about the product. You want to blog, which I use a platform that I have, which is Groove Pages and GrooveFunnel. YouTube, TikTok. You can also use Facebook as well as Instagram, to name a few, to create your content. The next step would be marketing the product. You're only going to focus on one platform for marketing, and that will be, at least for me, I'm going to focus on Pinterest. You can also do paid ads through Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, as well as Pinterest. Um, you can also do press releases. You can find different platforms to blog on to present your affiliate product. Uh, the marketing ideas are everywhere. There's so many different ways to market. Me myself, because of how I am, and I know what my personality type is and where my strengths and weaknesses lie, I do believe for me that focusing on one platform, understanding it, and actually becoming an expert in that platform will be of greater service to me. And then later I can move on to another type or form of marketing. Marketing the product. Pinterest is a search engine where people come to search and buy products. The great thing about Pinterest is that you always get great inspirational ideas as well as links that link you to a particular product that you might be interested in. So if you are looking to get started in the business and or e-commerce store or affiliate marketing, I tell you Pinterest is definitely the way to go. If you don't have a Pinterest business account, you need to get one today. It's very simple to set up, and if that is something you guys are interested in, Please leave me a comment below in the comment section. And also, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. But again, if you want to get started and you want to make money with Pinterest, my the best bet for you and my suggestion is to start a business account. Now you have to sell the product. You want to send your prospective customers to an opt-in page so that you can capture their email address for future marketing and product development. Now, the great thing about building an email list is that if you are going to start a YouTube channel or do your content presentation on Facebook or Pinterest, that email address that you've accumulated over the years is your safety net. If at any time, whatever platform you're using that you do not own and you get shut down, you will still have access to your followers. That is the great thing about building an email list. So you want to capture their email address, and you will need to get an email marketing service provider to set this up. Me, myself, I use Constant Contact. There's also Aweber, I think it is. Is it Aweber? Did I tell you guys Aweber? I don't know. I might have said Aweber for a blogging platform, and if I did, I really do apologize. Aweber is a email service. I was trying to think of, you know, the blog, the free blog that you can use. I will find that out. I do apologize. I will find that out. It's the same one you use when you buy a hosting site. It's hooked up to the hosting site, but you can also use a free version of it as well. So, just to make that correction. So again, I do apologize for that. Next, you want to make money. If you have given value and shown the benefits of your product that can improve the lives of your followers, then you have successfully started your affiliate marketing business. Okay? It's just that simple. When you so be conscious about products that you're choosing to market to your audience. Make sure that it's something that you would use or have used or is using at the current time, um, or have purchased, will purchase. Um, be mindful of that, and I know a lot of people look at how much money I would make off of it, but make sure that, like I said, you are in the business of making money, but just make sure that whatever you're offering your audience, it is something that's going to be beneficial and helpful to their lives, as well as yours. That way, it's a win-win situation all the way around. Now, that process that I have just given you looks simple, but believe me, it's a lot more to it than you think. Stay tuned as we dig deeper through the next videos. I will break it down for you, especially the affiliate programs, the free blogging sites that you can try, or the paid blogging sites that you can try, and any other options that are available out there to you for starting your affiliate marketing business. Again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you feel that this content would be great for someone else, please share. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Okay? Have a good day. Bye, guys.